59 days now that farmers have been protesting against the three farm laws. The farmer leaders and the government are holding, as we speak, the 11th round of talks at Vigyan Bhavan in the national capital. 41 farmer unions are attending the meet today. This comes after the farmer groups rejected the government's offer of stalling farm laws for 18 months. During the 10th round of talks, that was yesterday, the government had offered to farmers, this was on Wednesday, I beg your pardon, that the laws will be suspended for the next 18 months. But the farmers, after discussing internally, decided to reject that offer from the government. They are adamant that they will not compromise on their demand for a complete rollback of the laws. Farmer unions have also reiterated their demand for enacting a law guaranteeing minimum support price. After farmer unions rejected the offer from the government, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar also met with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the next course of action and the road ahead.
भाई वजह तो ये है कि 2 महीने से पड़े, अगर फिर भी उसी बात पर आवे तो पहले दिन ही बात हो जाती, ये नहीं है। अब करेंगे तो पूरा ख़त्म ही करवा के हो जाएंगे, ऐसे नहीं जाएगी। भाई हमारी भी तो आप सुनोगे, कोई जा रहा है, कितना नुकसान हो रहा है, क्या किसकी जिम्मेदारी होगी? सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है। जब तक सरकार का प्रोटेक्शन हमको नहीं मिला किसान तो मर जाएगा।
अगर तो हमारा शुरू से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अपील का ना होता फिर तो ठीक था, हम कोई और मांग करते। अब शुरू से मांग ही हमारी ये है, तो सरकार से आगे बढ़ना चाहिए ना, पीछे थोड़ा आना चाहिए। सरकार तो वहीं पे खड़ी है। अगर तो वो कहते कि रिपील की क्या मॉडलिटीज़ हैं, कैसे करना है, इसका क्या तरीका हो सकता है, फिर तो है। तो सरकार तो उसे नीचे नीचे को विकल्प देख लो, विकल्प देख लो, विकल्प तो कोई भी नहीं है। अगर ये चीज़ देखो गलत है तो गलत है, वो तो गलत को हटा दो।
ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤਿੰਨੇ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੱਦ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਣ, ਨਵਾਂ ਐਮਐਸਪੀ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇ। ਦੇਖੋ ਜੇ 3 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਲੈਨੇ ਆ, ਅਗਰ ਨਵੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੋਣ ਹੋਊਗੀ, ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਬਣ ਗਈ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਬਹਾਲ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੇ। ਰੋਜ਼-ਰੋਜ਼ ਐਜੀਟੇਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ। ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿੱਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਐਜੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਾਏ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਵਾਪਸੀ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ घर वापसी।
सरकार का अलग रुख है, हमारा अलग रुख है, और उसमें सहमति बन जाएगी।
रद्द होगा ट्रैक्टर रैली रद्द
नहीं होगी, वो रूट पर कोई सहमति बनेगी।
और जब तक रिपील से कम पे आप लोग मानने को तैयार?
उस पर ही माने, क्योंकि सबकी राय ली गई, सबकी यही राय है कि हम रिपील करेंगे। इतने दिन से बैठे हैं, ये आम किसान की राय है। थैंक यू।
आज क्या आप लोग डिमांड लेकर जा रहे हैं सर?
वही कानून रिपील करो और हमें 26 जनवरी का ट्रैक्टर परेड की जगह दो, और साथ ही एमएसपी दो सब किसानों को, पूरे देश के किसानों को, पूरी फसलों के ऊपर हर किसान को लीगल राइट के तौर।
That meeting currently is underway, and I want to take this across to our National Affairs editor, Rahul Srivastava. Rahul, good afternoon. You know, there were a lot of hopes yesterday that there would be a breakthrough, that going into today's talks, we may see the end of the protest. That, however, changed after the farmers came out with their statement saying they're not agreeing to the government's fresh proposition. Having said that, now, with these round of talks underway, with the farmers making it clear nothing but a rollback will do, can we really expect any sort of breakthrough? Will the government come out with a fresh proposal now?
Akshita, if you look at the history of this entire negotiation between the government and the farm unions, there is one thing which stands out. And the fact is that initially when the farmers and the government started talking, the government took an extremely adamant position. And after that, there was an attempt by the government and the BJP to insinuate that there are certain disruptive elements, even to the extent of saying that there are Naxals and Khalistanis which have become part of the negotiations or the protest. And that is where perhaps it's a unique incidence where despite each extra new round of talks, the level of distrust between the two sides has been mounting. And that is why if the government could have offered something as tangible as putting the laws on hold for a period of 1 to 1.5 years at the start onset, when say the first or the second meeting had happened, it could have been a much more dividend bearing kind of exercise for the government. But now there is so much of distrust vis-a-vis the government among the farm unions that yesterday when they were discussing the offer from the government, there was a sense of wariness that if the government is offering holding back the laws for a certain time and the farmers end their protest, what if a committee which is looking into the provisions of the 3 laws after the end of 1 year or 1.5 years suggests certain changes and the government says no repealing but only amendment to the law? that would mean that the farmers would have to regenerate a new campaign at that time. Means that the effort which they have mounted right now, which is putting pressure on the government, especially given the fact that 26 January is an issue of prestige and law and order.
That's
The
right.
farmers don't want to relent on anything else, and that's where lies the catch. The government will today try to convince them that the offer has a degree of permanence and assurances are there, but it seems that the farmers are likely to remain adamant, and there could well be yet another round of talks before the 26th arrives.
Seems unlikely that the farmers are going to budge or are going to be convinced in any way by the government.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.